Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a busy book for my 7-year-old. We are revising different maths concepts. We are doing some patterns, some numbers, skip counting, time, everything. Because so these topics which we are covering in different busy books, but here's a comprehensive one. Just testing the waters that what concepts we need to work on further. All are mostly statement-based questions when it comes to divide, multiply. So like here is a dividing based on capacity. A flask has capacity of 80 ml. A cup has a capacity of 5 ml. So how many cups to be used to fill the flask? Simple. Skip counting by 5. Can she find 80? Or she can divide? I don't think she can do. But she has to do multiple skip counting by 5 to find the answer. It's like based on time. Rosie sets off to school at 25 past 8 and arrives at school at 8:45. So now we are starting the terms like 9:30, 9:15. Actually, we don't use these terms in our real life, but I thought that in school term they need to know what is quarter, what is past, like that. That's why I added this question. So just to see, does she understand this concept? 8:45, 9:30, kind of things. Question is simple. Here, multiply. A blue coat costs $6. A red coat costs 4 times, basically $24. How much red and blue hat will together? So 24 plus 6, 30. But again, it is skip counting of 4 6 times, or skip counting of 6 4 times, which is not a very easy thing, but she's just getting hang of these numbers. So just thought to introduce, practice skip counting by 4 also. That's the idea here. So this is a complicated question which I found tricky for her age, but I thought let me give it a try. The Sam is dividing a 2-digit number by 3. Result is a whole number. I mean, it's able to divide. My girl will not know what is whole number, so I'll tell her that basically it will be properly divided. There will be a result, a proper number there. What is the missing digit? So basically, I will tell her that if you have to divide 2-digit number, so what is a possibility that you start skip counting by 3 and see where you get 2 something. Okay, so it can be 24, it can be 27, but basically I just want to see her can her mind figure out without me telling that what she has to do here, or she'll ask like I don't know what it is. But that's the idea. It's 2 is given, which is a 2-digit number. Can you divide it by 3? 24, 27, so and even 21. Yeah, so we will see can she figure out this kind of question, because it's different from the other calculations. After so much work, I just she's into drawing mode, so I just added 2 hangers, and I it's an option. Can you draw 2 outfits? I know she'll make a gown for her doll, but just maybe I'll ask her to draw 1 boy 1 girl dress, something like that. So that's just a fun prompt I added here. This one is again a tricky question for her age, but I remember these kind of questions we used to do, and I really found them interesting. In the sense, the correct time is 2 o'clock, but the clock is 5 minutes faster. So what will the clock show? So what does this mean that clock is faster? That's what I want to talk about it, the concept to her, that what does mean clock is faster. Correct time is 2 o'clock, but clock is 5 minutes faster. It means it's showing 2:05. It should not have shown 2:05. It's showing ahead of time. Like we make clocks faster, slower to routines. We do all those things at home. So I just wanted to introduce that concept that correct time is 12:45 and clock is 15 minutes slow. So what will the clock show? So it will probably show 12:30. So I'll tell her that when we were in school, my mom used to make the clock faster, slower. I just found that concept interesting, and I thought she will never know this thing. We don't do those things at now, but yeah, this is something very special childhood thing, I know. So I add these questions for her. This is purely practice. Skip counting 4, 6, 7, 9 and 8. Hard for her, but it's more of practicing now. This is a simple patterns. Again, a little tricky patterns like ABC, BCD. So now CDE, and then DEF, then EFG. Here we are 15, 16, 25, 26, 35, 36. So they are not straightforward patterns, but they're still easy patterns. If you focus, you can find what is the thing which is changing. Like it is 1 and then 2 triangles and then 2 cross. So basically 1 triangle, 1 cross, 2 triangle, 2 cross, 3 triangle, 3 cross. That's a pattern. Here simple arrow sequence. Here we are going ABC, but opposite Z, Y, so W, X, Y, Z. And again this is a tricky one. A, B, C, D. So here ABC is going forward and XYZ is coming like this, So she has to figure out what is the sequence, what is the trick there. And once she gets the trick, question is easy, but just making the mind work a little more. This thing is place value, but we are moving to 100 and 1000, which is hard for her, and I know she will rebel for it, that she's like, I'm not doing thousands. But I really found that this must be the easiest way for me to add thousands to the questions, like 4 tens, okay, 40. But you don't need to find the number here. You have to find like which of these has 4 tens. Like this one has 4 tens. 8 10,000s. So which is 10,000 number? This is the 10,000. So which is 8? So basically the 10,000 place where we have 8. 81,392. So it's a place value question, but a little tricky way with the bigger numbers. But I just found it interesting. So that's what we are going to match the place value, not the number, to the words I've written and the numbers being given. So that's just a busy work for my 7-year-old. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.